Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Google Calendar. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and then in here click on the search at the top. This one, click on it, and then click a Google Calendar. This one. So you just click on it, and then in here you can click on install, and then click OK. The Google Calendar is a good because this is automatically get events from Gmail on your calendar, and then Google Calendar can share your calendar with others and then get notification for upcoming event. This is a good for you. And then after this, if you wanna open a Google Calendar, you just click on open and finish. So that's how to get a Google Calendar on Google Play Store. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.